Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the resisted exercise. Okay, resisted exercise. You know about resisted exercises. Movements are mainly divided into two: active movement and passive movement. And like that, exercises are active and passive. Passive exercise means other one is doing. The patient or a person cannot do, then the other one is doing. And active exercises is divided into free exercise, active assisted exercise, active resisted exercise and resisted exercise. So in that category, about the resisted exercise we are going to talk about today. And in resisted exercise, it is doing for muscle grade 3, 4 and 5. You know Oxford 5. Okay. 0 means no contraction, 1 flicker of contraction, 2 eliminated gravity, 3 against gravity, 4 with mild resistance, full range of motion with mild resistance, and 5 is normal. In this group 0, 1 and 2 we are doing passive movement, and for the 2 we are doing assisted and active assisted according to the condition, and for 3 we are doing active exercise and active assisted exercises and resisted exercise minimal, and grade 4 with mild resistance. So to improve the resistance, to improve the muscle power, we need to add on resistance. Then only we will be able to improve the muscle strength. So against gravity, full range of motion is grade 3 muscle group. So for that, we are giving manual resistance by therapist and trying to improve. And then once it is reached with the minimal resistance, the patient can complete the range of motion. We are moving towards the resisted exercise. Okay, and grade 5 also we are doing progressive resisted exercise. That means we are starting with half kg and then or 0.25 kg, and then we are gradually improving the resistance. Okay, and this resistance can be manual or by using the free weights, like these are dumbbells and adjustable weight cuff. See, in this you can use the weights up to 2 kg, and you can take it out and you can increase the resistance by adding the weights. Now this is 500 grams, so this is 1 kg, and you can start with 1 kg, and if when the patient masters with 1 kg, you can add on 1.5 to like that. Okay, and these are springs. Okay, we are using the springs. We can remove the spring according to the resistance we needed, and we can add on. Okay, from this we can take it out and then we can keep it back also. So like that we are using the springs and pulleys, and you have seen in the visual lab about the equipments, weighted equipments, rowing machine, something like that. Okay, so all of these are the things which we are using for doing the resisted exercise. Okay, so now to improve the flexors of the elbow, we are first starting the muscle strength of the flexors elbow. We are first going to do with this is 1.5 kg. Okay, we are starting with a slow weight. Okay, 1 kg, and then see, this is flexion. If we wanted to do the extension, we are doing this way. Okay, extension of the elbow is getting strengthened, and in case of wrist, we are doing wrist flexion and extension. So likewise, all the movements we are doing by using it. So when I mastered, I can do a particular repetition of exercises by using this weight. I am going to jump into, this is 1.5 kg, I will move to 2 kg. So like that we are doing. So this, and in the same way we have another mode of resistance is TheraBand. Okay, these are elastic bands, and this can be in different resistance. Okay, and there will be a color code for about the resistance. Okay, according to that, yellow will be light color, or red will be little bit more, blue will be little bit more resistance. So once mastered the one resistance, we will go to the higher resistance. Okay. Now we will see how we are going to do the resistance exercise for the upper limb. You know the resistance exercise is that causes the muscle to contract against the external resistance. Okay, to improve the muscle strength, tone, mass or endurance. Okay, this external resistance can be dumbbells, weights, even bottle of water or bricks or whatever it is available. Okay, don't need to be, it should be a dumbbell or a TheraBand or something which is available, but whatever available you can use that. So if you are taking one bottle of water, you can take half bottle first and then increase the content of the water, and then like that you can increase the resistance. Okay, now he is using 1.5 kg dumbbell first, and then once he is mastered that, he can move into 2 kg, 2.5, 3, like that. So he will do now shoulder flexion. Okay, count. Good.
Again.
Okay. You need to give minimal rest period also in between and maintain the position. Good. Now you will move into extension. Extension of the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And you see, to take 1 kg weight or 2 kg weight or whatever may be, it will be easy. But to maintain that position for some time, that will be difficult. And then you need to master that. Then only you will be able to move into another weight. Okay, even 1.5 kg will be difficult if to maintain that position for some time. Okay, do once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the direction of the movement, we are using the resistance. That's it. Now abduction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we will do the flexion of the elbow. Okay. Bend your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. We need to keep it in that position for some time. Okay, 8 to 10 seconds, and you have to repeat the same movement for 15 to 20 times to get mastered. Okay, then only you will see the results. But for the teaching purpose, we are doing just 1 or 2 times only. When you are doing it practically, you have to do it for 10 to 15 minutes, and you need to give rest in between for the muscles. Okay, carry on once more. You can. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, in the same way, for the same muscles, we are doing by giving the rest time and doing the resistance for up to 10 seconds. Okay, 8 to 10 seconds, and we are repeating the same movement 10 to 15 times, or depending on the patient condition and the underlying disease. It will vary. Okay. Okay, the exercise prescription is will be like that. So you have to see the prescription, how many times, how much interval, how much holding time, and all, and then you need to repeat. Now you can do the extension of the elbow. See, by using the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay. Now you can do the wrist extension and flexion. You can just support with your hand and do the extension of the wrist. See. Extension, that is flexion. Extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. You can keep your hand in somewhere in the chair, and then you can keep there, and then you can do it also. Just sit on the chair and then see with the fully supported. Good. This is the best way. Yeah. Good. That's flexion. Extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Rest. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now flexion of the elbow. This way. Yes. 1. Just you can support the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And see, this is not very easy, as you see. No, to keep it for hold for 10 seconds, and then if you repeat it for 15 times or 10 times, it will not be that much easy as you see. Just you can pick it and you can do like this slap, but to hold and then to repeat it, it is even for a normal person, it is not easy. Okay, you can do the normal weights only, not the heavy weights. And by practice, you can do more and more. Your muscles will, already your muscles are in grade 5, normal. But with the training, you can improve. Like that, the athletes are doing weightlifting and all those things. By practice, their muscles are getting more strength, endurance, and everything, and then they are doing nothing like you cannot do, or you can do everything by practice. That's it. Okay. So we have learned about the resisted exercise by using free weights or dumbbell. Now we do the resisted exercise by using TheraBand. These are elastic bands, and we are getting it in different resistance. This depends on the resistance. We are improving the muscle strength is getting improved. So for that we are using the shoulder flexion. We are doing it in this position. Okay. While holding it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and keeping it back. Okay. This is doing shoulder flexion. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To do the shoulder extension, we are doing it in this way. Okay. See, now I am getting resistance for my extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I am doing for my abductors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I will do for my adductors. See? Am I getting it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So for the shoulder. For the elbow, we have to keep it in somewhere down and do. Okay. You can just keep one part under your foot and then do it. See? This is shoulder flexion. For the wrist, you cannot use this, but you can use like, you know, in any direction. If you keep it in your one hand and then do, this will be exercising your upper limb muscles. Okay, and you can do this. Okay, you can do this. You can do this. Different type groups of muscles are working in that. So for you, you need to see how you are doing it for the shoulder. Okay. Just teaching how to do for the shoulder. Attention. After this, go and see.
Action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Do you feel resistance?
Yes.
Okay. Now for doing extension, you just bend.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Are you feeling? Yes. Now, once more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now abduction. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Once more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You are feeling now your abductus
8.
and then third adduction.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. Thank you. Do the resisted exercise for lower limb. Okay. To do the resisted exercise for lower limb, can we do it by using the dumbbells for the lower limb? Can we do it? No. This is for the upper limb only. We need to hold this. No. So we are going to use the weight cuffs, and you know this is adjustable weight cuff. We are here. There is two weights. Okay, we can increase to 1.5 and up to 2 kg. We are using this for strengthening the lower limbs. Okay, we are just tying this. Okay, this is 1 kg, and asking the patient to take it up. Good. Holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. So this we are doing flexion of the hip. Okay. Do it again once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the same way is going to do it for the abduction. Lie on your side. Keep one leg slightly bent. Slightly bent. One leg slightly bent. And this extended. Normal position and keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. If the patient cannot hold the weight, the limb will shiver. Okay? Again. So we have to reduce that time the weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now we do the extension of the hip. Lie on your stomach and take it up. Up in the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now adduction. Okay? Lie on the side facing me. And keep this here. Keep this leg here and then take this leg up. See? 1, 2 from in to out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not easy. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And we can use the same by using the TheraBand also. Okay? We can use the bending abductors. Just tight and open your leg. See which group of muscles are working? Abductors are working. Okay, so to do the adductors we can just keep one leg out. See? And again. Good. Okay, in this way also you can do it. And for the knee, sit. Knee extension, just properly sit. Okay, fully supported thighs, and you can tie on the leg and make it straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Lie down. This is for quadriceps. For the hamstring, lie on your stomach and bend your knee. Bend your knee. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Again. This is for hamstring. Do you feel your hamstrings are working? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. The same way you can use the TheraBand also. Okay. Just hold it with your hand. Just tight on your leg and hold. Then try to make it extend. So now your quadriceps are working, right? Okay. In the same way you can work for the hamstring also. In sitting, sit. Okay, you just tie it somewhere over and then just throw your leg back. See, now your hamstrings are working, right? Is it clear? The ankle, just hold it, okay, and then push forward. See, against resistance. Okay, good. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Okay. For the plantar flexion, for the dorsiflexion, you are just tying it on some window or somewhere and then doing it. So now the dorsiflexors are getting strengthened. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now we can do it for the hip TheraBand. When you use it, TheraBand, you can express our hip joint. So for that, we are just tying it somewhere and just making a knot over here also, and then just keep it in your foot. Okay. So in the same way how we did for the shoulder joint. Okay. This is flexion. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And this is extension. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is adduction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And This is addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Clear?